So guys, I have taken this notebook and I really like the color. Here I am removing all the unnecessary paper from the notebook. I have taken this colored paper from wedding card, cutting down only the background portion, and I am giving the layout to the page here. Here I am decorating the first page of the notebook by writing "This diary belongs to me." I will not do anything on the cover of my notebook because I love its color. So here I am writing motivational quotes because for some positive vibes. Now here I am going to decorate it by some pencil colors and making it very creative, so you can look the result and it is really awesome. Now I thought to write syllabus, so here I am writing my math syllabus and then others. So you can see the result. I have written all the syllabus of my all subjects and I make it much more creative. Now I am going to make study planner of 2022 January, and here I am writing and pasting some creative things to make it more beautiful. So from here my monthly planner of January 2022 begins, and this is the page of indication of January. So here I am going to make some weekly spread of week 3 because it's still 15 January and I am making this from 15th of January. So this is our week 3 of January. So here I am going to decorate this week 3, and now I am going to write some goals of the week for some tasks, and now this is the result how I am decorating this. Now here I am using some highlighters for making this page more creative and decorative. So the result you can see, and it's look really very good, and I really like this page very much. From the next page I am going to write day wise plans. I am dividing the page into two sections for 2 days. And now here I am decorating this page and making it more creative. And I am using highlighters, and now you can see the result. It's look good. Now from the next page I have changed the layout of daily task, and here I am writing it in different way. Then I am designing it with the help of some sketch pens and highlighters. Now you can see the result of the page and it's really looking good.